In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart in Teamwork. Gantt charts are an excellent way to visualize your project timelines, helping you keep track of tasks and deadlines efficiently. Whether you're a project manager or a team leader, mastering this tool can bring clarity and organization to your projects. We'll go through this process step by step to ensure that each stage is clear and manageable. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. Once it's ready, head over to the search bar and type in Teamwork. After hitting search, you should see Teamwork's website among the top results in your list. Alternatively, you can directly type in the URL itself, www.teamwork.com, to land on the site's homepage more quickly. Both methods will lead you to the same destination. Once you're on the Teamwork homepage, locate the Login button, which is typically visible at the top right corner of the screen. Click it and proceed to enter your login credentials. After logging in successfully, you'll find yourself on your project dashboard. This is where the magic begins. Direct your attention to the plus Quick Add button. Clicking this button initiates the creation of a new project. Here, you have several options. You can choose to start a project completely from scratch, which gives you full control over every detail, or opt for one of the available templates if you need a quick setup. Templates can be quite useful in providing a foundational structure that saves time while ensuring you don't miss key components typical of project planning. Next, you'll be asked to provide some details. Enter the name of your project, select the company it's associated with, and don't forget to add your team members. This step is crucial as it establishes the core information your Gantt chart will rely on. By inviting your team, you ensure everyone involved has access and can contribute to the project as needed. With your project details inputted, you might be wondering, where's the Gantt chart feature? Have no fear. It's readily available. As soon as the project is created, look towards the top of your screen. There, among the various tabs, you'll find Gantt. Clicking on this will switch your view to the Gantt chart, where all your tasks and timelines will be visually represented. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on setting up a Gantt chart within Teamwork. Now, you can view your project plan at a glance and easily manage deadlines across your team. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and has demystified the process of using Gantt charts in Teamwork. If you still have questions, don't hesitate to revisit any of these steps. Thanks for watching, and happy planning!